We are now analyzing our topic. The topic is books. In our daily life, we have come across the rubber bands. Have you seen them anywhere? Yes. We have the rubber bands. I want us to hold that rubber band we have in our rooms. Just have it, hold it, and then test it. Where do we use these rubber bands? Where have we ever used them? Eh? Where do you use them? In the salon? For what? Yeah? For holding the Now, we have seen these rubber bands either when you want to put one-time money in terms of bundle, some bands, we have used them in that. So we have come across these rubber bands. Is that the case? Yes. Now, these rubber bands, when we have come across them, if you can hold it, can you hold it and try to stretch it? Try to stretch and see what happens. Try to stretch. Can we try to stretch that? Yes. Are you seeing what has happened? Yes. So, with this knowledge, even back at home, we will normally wash our clothes. We have washing of clothes, and we put our clothes on a cloth line. That cloth line of ours, if you put so many of the clothes, then the cloth line might what? Might snap. It snap. So we want to see these applications. So in our daily life, Hook's law, it is unapplicable. It is something which we apply always in our daily life. That's why we want to study and analyze mostly on what is Hook's law, and we want to verify Hook's law. What happens? So in this case, I want us to go to our activity 1. Let's go to our activity 1. In the worksheet, we have activity 1. Let's go to activity 1. All of us be there. Activity 1 says, stretch the given rubber band with 50 grams mass. State your observation. So I want us to use, you can hold the rubber band, or you can use your stand. If you can put your rubber band even there, and then hang the 50 grams mass. You hang the 50 grams mass. Hang the 50 grams mass. And now you state the observation. State the observation, what you see as a group. Hang the 50 grams mass from the rubber band, and state the observation. Generally, what do I see? What do I see? From the rubber band, what do I see? What do I see? What do I see? What do I see? Students, can we raise our hand and tell us what do you see? Once you have hung the 50 grams mass from that rubber band, what happened to the rubber band? Yes? Does not stretch. The rubber band stretches. What did you see physically? What did you see? Yes, somebody again? You can remove it and test once more again. You can remove the mass and test what happens. So what do we see? The rubber band is stretching. Stretching. At the back, at the back, the rubber band is stretching. The rubber band is stretching. So in conclusion, what we can say there, our rubber band is able to stretch. Now, what will happen? I want you to predict. Let us be in class. Let us predict what happens now if I was to use 100 grams mass. If I can add, I use 100 grams mass to the rubber band. Predict what's going to happen. what do you think can happen? If we want to add some 100 grams mass over that rubber band, what do you think can happen? Yes? The rubber band will stretch more. The rubber band will do what? Stretch more. The rubber band will stretch more. And that is the reality. Our rubber band will stretch. The rubber band shall stretch more. That's the truth. Now, we want to move. We want to be writing what we have seen. Be writing what we have seen. In your groups, what you have predicted as the rubber band done in their group. But all of us were in agreement that the rubber band will stretch more when we use it. Now, in addition to that, what will happen? Are we here? Yes. If I was to decrease and it decreased, for example, I was to have 500 grams mass hanged from that rubber band. 500 grams mass. So you can have 100, 100, 100, and then 500. Is that the case? Or you can have 250. We have a gram of 250. What will happen, do you think? Yes? The rubber band will... What is the correct English we use? They will be cutted. The rubber band snaps. The rubber band will snap. That is the reality. Is that the case? Yes. Our rubber band will what? Will snap? Will snap. Now I want us to move to activity 2 very fast. Activity 2. Look at the worksheet. We want to move to activity 2. In our activity 2, look at what we are saying. You are supposed to arrange the apparatus shown. What is the apparatus we are doing there? I want to write. There's a wrong typing in that activity 2. I want to write what we are doing in activity 2. In activity 2, in your groups, you are supposed to have a rubber band, the way we must have done that. I want us to add some masses. The prediction we had said earlier on, let us add some masses through the rubber band, the 50, then add another 50, then add another 50, then add another 50, and we'll see what happens. So you write, you don't now announce your answer, you write and tell us what you see. Let us see what happens. You add as many as possible. You have added as many as possible. So you write what you see. What happens? Let us add more. And we are still adding more masses to the same. Add more masses to the same. See what happens. Even you are not more. Let us do that fast. So, I want to add this mass to you. Add it and see what happens. Add it. Just add that mass. Add one more. Add one more. We want to add until we see the snapping. Let us add until we see the snapping. So what we can simply do here is So let us add more.
It has snapped.
Now, let us hold it and wait and see what happens. We want to add more. Just start with this. Remove that. We are increasing the weight. And add this. Just do it. I want all of us to look at them as a kind of a demonstration. In this case, use this, see that what is not working. Add more. Add more. Adding, you can even add here. When you are adding, you can even add from this side. You can even add there. You can even add there. Add another one. Add even from above there, because the masses are the same. Are we all of us seeing this?
Yes.
Add here. You can add from here. So that means our rubber band is able to stretch. Our rubber band is stretching until we continue adding more and more. So our rubber band is able to stretch enough. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
It's able to do a lot of stretch. So we can add as many passes as possible until then it can stretch. If we can continue, then it will snap. Is that the case?
Yeah.
It will snap. I want one group to push and pull apply a force over that rubber band of yours. Remove it from not all of us, because we want to see. Apply more force to it. Apply more force to it. You can see. Are we seeing that?
Yes.
Pull it. Try to pull it more. And then pull it. Try to pull it. It's strong enough. Yeah, are we seeing that?
Yes.
So as you pull it, what do you see? It stretches and then does what? And it contracts. It stretches and it returns to its original position. Now I want to move to activity 3. Be very fast. Activity 3, we want to carry out now a serious experiment over the same. Activity 3. Activity 3 very fast, it's you to do it. Activity 3. Now in these groups of ours, in activity 3, we want to do that experiment, which is as arranged in those apparatus. We have the materials. So in your groups, let's work out. Yeah? We're going to have let's start very fast in our groups. We have the procedures there. Arrange the apparatus as shown in the diagram. That's why I gave you the worksheet. Check the worksheet. Save time, be fast enough. Look at the experiment and follow the instructions and carry out that experiment. Make sure your spring has a pointer. Better there are other springs we don't have pointers, please. you arrange the apparatus as shown. Ensure, listen to all of us. I want to demonstrate using this room. So you want to get another one. So if you are sure you don't just it should be there. Now, all of us look at this. Ensure that you are spring and the ruler. There is a point which is there, which you are able to make a reading. Is that the case? Yes. They should be near to one another. They should be near to one another. Put it in a given place where you are not just moving it. And they should be near to one another. We are working through procedure and proceed as follows in the worksheet 3, which I read you, activity 3. When you're doing an experiment, you need to stand up and enjoy the working. You are telling when we are sitting. We are doing serious work. There's so many of them. After you have arranged your apparatus, each group to listen. After you have arranged the apparatus, you are doing an experiment. Yeah. After we have arranged the apparatus, what do? We must note. You are supposed to note where does the pointer, what is the reading of the pointer before you hang any mass. We are not measuring, we must, the pointer is the one who will guide you. What are we doing? This point of ours, it is reading there. Yeah? It is the pointer we are using. Use the pointer to know the initial reading over the ruler. That means yours will, yes, the pointer must be there. The ruler and the spring, they must be together. And take the reading of the pointer. What does it read? We must know the scale of a meter. You know the scale of a meter? Have you? Have you noted the initial reading? What does it mean? Note it somewhere. We shall feel using this table. We shall feel using. Note it somewhere because we are not using. Now, where do we feel the initial reading? I want us to go to our worksheet. Are we seeing our worksheet? Yes. Then we are having mass on the spring balance. Mass on the spring balance in kilograms. But our mass is in kilograms. We shall convert into kilograms. Now, when we start, before we have hung the end mass, everyone is listening. Yes. Before you hang end mass there, the mass will be 0. That is the initial reading. Are you there? Yes. When the mass is 0, the stretching force will be 0. Are we there? Yes. Mass is 0. The stretching force is what? 0. What is unloading? What do you mean by loading? We are going to add masses. One after another. Unloading becomes length. Unloading. Are we there? Yes. Unloading there. We have on the scale reading. What was the scale reading? If it is 50 something, we are there. Are we listening? Yes. Unloading. When we shall now move to the next mass. Everybody is listening? Yes. Next mass. Maybe about 50 grams mass, but the 50 mass will convert to kilogram. Where we had said, how do you convert to? Everybody must listen. The problem we are not listening in. If I have added 50 grams, do I have to convert 50 grams to kilograms? Yeah? Yeah. We divide by what? the spring in kilograms. Are we listening? Yes. Then stretching force. If I have said that force, we know 10 newtons gives you 1 what? 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram. So if I have found 0.05 kilograms to convert to newtons and multiply times 10? Times 10. So the first step is the mass you have added, you read by 1,000, you can write it in terms of kilogram. Then when you multiply that times 10, it will give you what you call the force. It will give you what you call force. The Newton. Are we there? Then on loading, I'm explaining that on loading, we are going to start by writing 0. We start writing by 0 because we have not added any mass. So the expression will be 0. The F over V will be 0. The first one. Are we there? Yes. The second one, now when you have added a mass, that's when you will now add a mass, convert, write the stretching force. What's the reading you see there? Are we there? Yes. You will have the reading. If it was 57, it might go to 60, for example. Are you there? Then you will have an extension on the other side. You will subtract the 2. Are we there? We shall subtract what? The 2. Let's do it very fast because of time. Let's do it very fast because of time. Save time. Once you finish. Now, I think we have filled. Have we done that? Have we done that? Just wait for the mean because we have not done unloading. Have we done unloading? What I got is this one. Give me that. Okay? What is this? Is the this already? So this will be 0. This will be 0. Unloading means when we are removing the mass. We want to make a conclusion that maybe you have done added few in experiment 3 in activity 3 of ours. Make sure you have done and you have filled your table correctly.